In this tutorial I want to show you how to archive files with WinRAR on Windows 11. So here on my desktop I have all the files which I want to archive, to compress a photo, a video and a document, and what you have to do, select the videos or the files which you want to archive, make sure all of them is selected, and after that right click on one of them and select WinRAR and add to archive. Okay, now inside here you have to give them this compression a name. Let's name it name.rar. Alright, now compression method, you can also select best. Alright, and on the right side you'll find that archive options. You can also check create solid archive, because this basically helps when compressing many similar files. You'll find also archive format, RAR or zip. In my opinion, leave the RAR format because a lot of people are saying that the RAR format, the compression is better than the zip. So leave that marked with RAR, and now what's left to do, you have to press on OK. And that's how to archive something on Windows 11. And in case you don't have WinRAR already installed on your computer, you can get it from here. This is their official website. You can purchase it from here, and also they have a free trial after you buy it from here. Alright, so that being said, and here on my desktop now I have my archive, and now what's left to do, you can also open this archive, and here you can locate the files which you just archived. So that was it. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye.